Alright, Mad Dog Mountain Arts. Separating tomatoes. See how these tomatoes are in.
Yeah, I will.
Alright, so it's like, right? So you had to get right down to the base there. And I find it's like, don't just pull at them. Kind of try to like press them without pressing them. You know what I mean? Go squishing every little one and see like which one wants to fall off. They must be all growing off something. Oh, they're all growing off like a piece of rotten tomato. Isn't that cool? You guys see that? Natural, organic tomatoes. Let's see if I can make them grow. I don't want to pull on them. I'm so hungry, though. I just want to be like, ah. Okay, but patience. Dude, patience. Dude. Okay, let's... Bam, bam, bam. No, start moving. Okay, so see what I'm doing? And then, sorry. So kind of like, who cares if they drop? I mean, at this point. Because I don't want to pull... I don't want to pull on them at all. So, let them fall. Get the ones off you can. Like, there's lots. So, and then what I would do without, but you gotta be delicate. Like, you don't want to be squishing the stem either. That's why I say just let it go. Or hold it by the root. That might be even easier. Hold it by the root. I'm pretty excited about these. All right. That was tomatoes. Let's see if we can get them in the ground.